All right, clicked into my Canvas. This is what I see. Click on modules to access coursework. Okay, see this to-do list over here? We don't pay attention to that, okay? We don't pay attention to that. Okay, we don't pay attention to any of this. We just do what this says. Click on modules to access coursework. Let's click on modules. And what week were we working on? I'm pretty sure we were working on November 11th to December 2nd. So we click on that. Okay, when we click on that, this appears. push chapter 16. Okay, we go here, we read this. It says the assignment, go to page 525 on chapter 16. Okay, so we go back. Okay, and we click on this up here, chapter 16. So we click on chapter 16, we open it. Chapter 16 in the weeks right here, weeks of November 11th to December 2nd. Go to the weekly assignments. Okay, our chapter opens up. It's over here. I'm going to move it so you can see it on the screen. Go down really fast because I'm going to page 525 to make sure there's questions on page 525. And I get here questions, multiple choice questions. Okay, more multiple choice questions, short answer questions. Okay, I scroll back and I see making the connection questions, key turning point questions right here. How did I get here once again? I clicked on this from here when I open this up. Okay, I don't do anything else. I always go to the weekly assignments. I click on modules, then I go to the weekly assignments. Here's all the weekly assignments. I click on those. And that's where I go to get my assignment. Okay, I don't go anywhere else. It's not that hard. Okay, all right. Glad we had this little talk.